Hi, Simone Spence, otherwise known as Deadbeat Hunter. Do you know what a notice of demand is? Well, you should. And if you don't, hopefully you're going to become very familiar with it really soon because it's a good thing. The notice of demand happens when you are ready to start executing on cash or assets that you have found belonging to the deadbeat. So you already have your judgment and you're filling out this notice of demand and you're sending it to the deadbeat to say, hey, you owe me X amount of dollars, and if you don't respond within a certain period of time, I reserve my right to begin all sorts of collection procedures against you as pursuant to the law. The law allows me to do this. Now, once you send this document to the deadbeat, this puts him on notice, and the law gives him 30 days to respond. Now, his response can only be that it's a case of mistaken identity, which means he's not the person that you're looking for, or I don't owe that money. Now, if you're absolutely sure that you have the right person and you already have your deadbeat, if you already have your deadbeat's judgment, he has nothing to go on. So those are the only two things that can stop you from going forward with your collection procedures. And he has 30 days to respond. So once that 30 days has elapsed, you can then begin all of your strategy and pursue all of the collection procedures that you have lined up in terms of what you're going to be doing to collect your support. And of course, all of that's going to depend on your case and what you need to do and what assets you have found. And if you're following along in the document library, you'll know what all of this is. I used to think that the notice of demand was a bad thing. Long time ago, when I was first getting started, I was thinking to myself, you know what? I'm about to tell him that I'm going to hit his account up, and that's not good because then he's going to go and close his account, and he's going to do this, and he's going to do that, and then I'm going to lose my momentum. And what I have really found, the truth is that it's actually quite the opposite, because generally speaking, they ignore your notice of demand because they really don't think that you're serious, or they don't realize that you know what it is that you need to do right now to actually execute on his assets. And so they just kind of like blow it off. So now you have all of your legal standing because you followed every letter of the law. You have your judgment. You've let him know that you're about to execute on your judgment, and then you follow through with the execution. So there's nothing that he can say in court. He can't say it's not him. He can't say that he doesn't owe the money, and he can't say that you didn't follow due process because you gave him his opportunity to have his day in court to complain about something that he can't complain about. So anyway, that's the notice of demand. Become very familiar with it. I hope you are already, or will be very soon, because that means you're very close to collecting your money. This is Simone Spence, otherwise known as Deadbeat Hunter. If you have any questions, hit me up at info@don'tgetmadgetpaid.com and check out the website at don'tgetmadgetpaid.com. Happy hunting, your deadbeats.